Everybody has their doubts, but you can't stop now. You just gotta live. You just gotta
It's Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful start to the new year. Mine is a little bit rocky, a little bit rough these past couple days, but we are going to push through and be strong. If you guys don't know, my grandma is actually suffering from dementia and she has been having a rough start to the new year. So if you guys could just keep my family in your thoughts and prayers through this really difficult time, it will really mean a lot to me. So I wasn't going to upload a video this week, but I was really excited about this video and I wanted to go ahead and take some time this morning to film a video for you guys. I really wanted to film this video for you guys and get it up for you this week because it has been a video that I'm really excited about. I worked on it last weekend and I kind of teased you guys on Instagram about it, so you guys can see from the title of this video that we're going to be doing my dream board for 2019, vision board, whatever you prefer to call it. Yeah, so I teased it on Instagram, I showed you guys, and a lot of you were so excited to see it, so I wanted to get this video up today. I have a minimal makeup on. I probably look really tired. I'm really tired. If you can't tell, morning voice. I am literally fighting the plague from everyone. My dad is super sick. He has strep throat. My mom's getting sick. It has been a really rough year to the start of the year, and my grandma isn't doing well, so it's just everything has been taking a big tumble. If you want to create your own dream board and you don't know what to do or how to start, just keep watching. So the first thing I did on my own time was make a list of all of the things that I want to accomplish in 2019, all of the things I want to do, places I want to visit, and just everything that I want to accomplish. So really take the time to plan out your list and be specific on exactly what you want. So I want this car, I want this house, I want this, like absolutely down to the detail of exactly what you want. After I accumulated that list of all the things and goals and dreams that I have for the new year, I went ahead and went over to Google, picked out some images from Pinterest, We Heart It. I love We Heart It. It's like a forum of all like photos and stuff like that. They have really good like girl boss, boss babe type of motivational quotes, inspirational quotes, things from the Bible, a lot of things like that, which help keep me motivated and kind of give me a positive outlook on the new year. So I went ahead and looked for all the things on my list, and then I kind of went to find pictures that match them. You guys can see here what I'm doing is showing you guys all the supplies that you need. You need a poster board. I just went over to Hobby Lobby and got a white poster board. You can go to the Dollar Tree, you can go anywhere. I also just need a pair of scissors, a glue stick, or tape, whatever you prefer to put down your actual pictures on your vision board. It's all preference. I used the glue stick and it worked out really well. So I went ahead and went shopping through the aisles at Hobby Lobby and having a grand old time. The scrapbooking section, just little things like that. You don't have to print all of your pictures from Google. You can go in the aisles at Hobby Lobby and find some things in the scrapbooking section, the craft section, anything like that that you want to put on your vision board. At the end of the day, it's your dream board, your vision board, so do what you want on there. And it's kind of fun to make it creative and do your own thing and spice it up however you want it. So I went ahead and found these rhinestone numbers, and they just went ahead and grabbed 2019 because I knew that I wanted that to be the center of my board. I want to remind myself that these are the things that I want to do in 2019. So after I gather all my supplies, I have printed out all of my photos. I'm going to cut out every single photo exactly how I want it. So as you guys can see, I'm cutting all this stuff. It took me forever, you guys, to cut out all these pictures. I had a lot of pictures, and I suggest having like a stock pile of all the photos that you want. And then when you're putting them together, you will see which ones, oh, that fits there, or actually I don't really like that. So just make sure that you have enough ideas that you want on your vision board. And you can make your vision board as big or as small as you want. It doesn't have to be as big as mine. I kind of went for the smaller size. I've seen people do vision boards that are really big, but this particular year I don't have that many things that I'm trying to manifest into my life. After I have all of my items cut out, next what you guys are going to see me doing is kind of mapping out where I want my things. So I kind of wanted to keep all of my things very organized in kind of like a certain area, so you guys can see I have like my healthy eating in one section, my like travel area in one section, and you guys can just play with it and move everything around. As you guys can see that I'm doing that. I'm just kind of mapping everything out where I want it and how I want it to be presented on my vision board. About you and what your preferences are. A lot of people say to do your main focus to be in the center, have a centered quote and everything like that, which when I go into detail about each item, you guys will see why I placed which item there, just so I can kind of explain a little bit better. So here I am just mapping everything out. You can play with this, move it around, do it however you want to do it. You kind of get your desired look on your poster board. Just go ahead and glue everything down, and then you're all set and your vision board is ready to go. Hang it up somewhere that you can see it every single day. So with that being said, let's go ahead and show you guys my vision board. Here is my vision board. It is, I hope it's fitting in the frame. As you guys can see, here it is. As you guys can see, we have 2019 here in the rhinestones, and I love these rhinestones. I got them at Hobby Lobby. So we're gonna go ahead and start up here at the top. Now this at the top is the main quote, and I think that if you're really into quotes and you have like a quote that you live by or something that inspires you, I would say make that kind of your main focus, because at the end of the day, all of your hard work and whatever you're working towards kind of goes back to this quote, and it just kind of helps fuel your drive, fuel your motivation, and it keeps you staying positive and just reassuring you that you can accomplish your goals. So the quote that I chose for my vision board in 2019, and kind of just a quote that I think I'm going to stick with forever for the rest of my life, is from Walt Disney's Happily Ever After fireworks display show. So if you've been to Disney World before, you guys know I'm a Disney addict, but if you've been to Disney World before, this quote plays before the firework display is about to start. The man that is talking is saying this quote, and every time I hear it, it just really resonates with me and just kind of, I don't know, it just does something. It literally sets my soul on fire. I just really, really love this quote. So this quote is, each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All you have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within. So that is my favorite quote from Walt Disney, and I love this, and it's just kind of my center and what I'm focusing at the top, and I love it. We're gonna go kind of this way around, I guess. I have, first up here, I have this little queen image. It's just a little tiara. I've always loved tiaras as a child, and I just feel like a queen, a boss, just conquering the world, and that's what I put up there. I don't know, I just really like it. The next thing I have here is a quote, and it says, I am confident in what God has called me to do. And I put this here because sometimes, a lot of the time, I feel that I am unsure of what my purpose is. I feel sometimes a little bit lost. I'm not really sure on what my purpose is, and I just need to lean on the Lord and know that God has a plan for me, that I need to be confident in what He has called me to do and what His plan is for me and my purpose in life. So I just kind of have that there as like a little reminder every single day that I am confident in what God has called me to do. This pink item here is all quotes, and these are 15 daily affirmations that I want to start telling myself every single day to build a more positive, confident, more self-love on myself. So these say, I am strong, I am worthy, I am powerful, my life is rewarding, I am relentless, I am persistent and persevere, I have a grateful spirit and heart, I am in charge of my own happiness, I am enough, I believe in my skills and abilities, I am special, I have respect for myself and my body, really important, I am important, I choose happiness, I love myself deeply and unconditionally. And I went ahead and put that up there because I really do think that these are really important affirmations that I need to remind myself of every single day so that I can live my true best life and feel positive and self-love and love my body and love literally myself 100% with no conditions. Just love myself 100%. So this next quote that I have here is one of my favorite Bible verses, and this is, cast your cares on the Lord and He will sustain you. He will never let the righteous be shaken. Psalms 55:22. This is my favorite Bible quote, and it just helps me when I am feeling super anxious to be reminded that the Lord is always with me and that this too shall pass, and I can go on and be strong and just know that the Lord is with me. And I just always put that Bible verse because it is just something that resonates with me. So moving down here, we have kind of all of these books stacked up here, and they sell like Chanel, Dior, Givenchy, Fendi, Vogue, Louis Vuitton, Tom Ford, Prada, all of that. I just put a stack of books and I thought those were just kind of aesthetically pleasing, so I put those on there. They kind of have no like meaning, but I do have next to it, read more books. So one of my goals this year is to read a lot more. I don't read a lot, but in the 2019 I'm trying to read more. So last year I actually have the Goodreads app. It's just Stephanie Carollo, so if you guys have Goodreads and you want to add me, you can add me on there to see what I'm reading. I set my 2019 book challenge to 15 books, which seems like not a lot, but for me that's a lot because I usually don't read. Last year I read 5 books, so this year we're going for 15. So I want to read more books this year because I just think there's just so many good books out there, and I don't know, I just feel like reading is very, very important, and my mom loves to read, and I'm trying to get into the reading because I used to be into reading when I was younger, but I kind of fell off the wagon because, you know, YouTube. I love watching YouTube. Maybe I should have put watch less YouTube, but who are we kidding? That's not an obtainable goal in 2019. So reading more books is on there. So next thing we have here is a person in like their meditation pose, and it says on their meditation, health, spirituality, fitness, relaxation, energy. There's just kind of like all words within this little meditation pose, and I put this on here because I kind of want to get into meditation and see what it does for me and my anxiety and stress, and I think meditation is a great way to relax at the end of the day. So I kind of want to get into reading some books about meditation, and really just finding inner peace is what I really want to kind of obtain for 2019. So I definitely want to get into some meditation. So moving down here at the bottom, as you guys can see, it all clumps together. This just says eat healthier, and I have pictures of fruits and vegetables in a heart shape. I thought it was really cute, so I decided to put that on there. I also have exercise more, and then this little girl here, like a little fitness cartoon thing. She says your hard work will pay off soon, and I think that's a great way to kind of stay positive and motivated when you go to the gym and eat healthier. That it's just kind of a great reminder that all of your hard work will eventually pay off. Sometimes we want to see results right away, but it takes time, and I think that's just a great reminder to stay focused on your dreams and your goals and your fitness goals, and just stay positive. So I do want to lose some weight. I'm just more so not like about losing weight. I just want to be healthier, eat healthier, and just make healthier habits in 2019. And then I have like a little water bottle symbol there, if you guys can even see it. Moving over, we're gonna go this way. So this says 20,000 subscribers and the little subscribe button. I want to reach 20,000 subscribers this year. It's one of my biggest goals. Last year for 2018, I wanted to reach 7,000, and we're like, what, shy of like maybe 300-400 subscribers. So this year I'm going to kick it into high gear with these videos and really, really try to reach my goal of 20,000 subscribers. I just want to grow my channel, and I love YouTube so much. It's one of my biggest passions, and yeah, so 20,000 subscribers is the goal for this year. Let's make it. Subscribe if you haven't already. So the next picture here at the bottom is a car, and this is a Jeep Compass I think it's a 2018, but I would take the 2019 Jeep Compass 2019, the Sport Edition, I believe, or the Limited Edition. I can't remember which one exactly is. I know it when I see it. It's the Jeep that I want to buy myself this year. I want to buy a new car. I have a Jeep right now. It's a love-hate relationship with that car, more so on the hate side. I just get really annoyed by my Jeep. More so the fact that it's a gas guzzler, and I have a Jeep Liberty. It's a gas guzzler. It has a lot of issues, and I don't have an aux cord or anything, so I literally have to listen to CDs, and it's very annoying. I just want a new car, you know? So I want to get this car hopefully this year. Yeah, so I want to get a new car this year. Don't know when, but hopefully. So moving over, I just have here a quote that says, "Watch the Queen conquer." And I just love that. I just think it's so cute, and it's just a nice motivational kind of quote. And then I have another motivational quote down here that says, "You are strong and so capable of many wonderful things." So again, just another positive affirmation for myself on my vision board. So moving up, we're gonna go up here and down to explain all of these things. So up here I have an airplane and a passport because I need to renew my passport this year. I haven't had a passport since, I don't know, maybe since I was like 10, and then it expired. We went to like Mexico and stuff with my family, so I don't have a passport. I need to renew it. So I need to get a passport. It's on my list because I want to go out of the country. I want to travel again. Yeah. So the next place kind of goes with everything here. It's just to travel more is why the airplane's up there. The next place is South Beach, Miami. So I have Flammy in Fort Lauderdale, and I really want to go to Miami, and I definitely am going to Miami this year. I'm thinking sometime in May, not positive yet what days we're exactly going, but I'm gonna go to Miami, and I'm really, really excited because it's on a place that I want to go to. I want to go to the art district and all that stuff like that there. I want to go to Ocean Drive. I want to go to Little Havana. So I want to see a lot of Miami, and I love Florida so much. You guys know my love for Florida is so real. So the next place I put on here is I Believe in Nashville. It's the I Believe in Nashville mural that is outside next to Draper James. I've been to Nashville before. We went for my friend's 21st birthday a few years ago, but we also want to go back and do another girls trip, so that is why I put Nashville on there, so that we can go back and do our girls trip, which I think we're going to be doing this year in August. Fingers crossed, hopefully. So we're going to be going back to Nashville, and I really want to explore the city a little bit more because last time we were there, we were just drunken mess and hungover every day, so we did not go and explore the town and the city that is Nashville. So I want to definitely do that and like visit the Grand Ole Opry and go on the music hall tours and stuff like that. So I want to do more of the sightseeing in Nashville next time we go. And the last thing on here is New York City. So it has been one of my goals to go to New York City since last year, and this year I really, really want to go to New York City. I'm thinking maybe sometime in the fall if possible. I really want to go to New York City. There's so many things I want to do. I want to just see New York City. Like, I'm from Chicago, so like just going to another big city and seeing how that is just very intriguing to me, and I just think New York is such a beautiful place, and I want to go shopping, and I want to go to Primark. Like, I should have put Primark on here because I want to go shopping at Primark because they have so many cute things, and yeah, I just want to see New York as a city and experience the great city that is New York. That completes everything in my 2019 vision board, dream board, whatever you guys prefer to call it. Below, let me know if you guys have ever created a dream board. If you are creating a dream board, let me know down below what you would put on your dream board because I'm really, really curious. I can't wait to come back at the end of the year and go from 2020 to see what my vision board is going to look like in 2020, and at the end of 2019 be able to see all the things that I accomplished on my 2019 vision board. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you guys like videos like this. If you guys really enjoyed this video by giving it a thumbs up. If you watched all the way to the end, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment down below. And that is pretty much it. Follow me on all my social media to stay updated with me. I'm the most active on Instagram, and I'm always posting on there to let you guys know updates about my new videos. So if you don't follow me on there, you definitely should. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. Bye guys!
Wherever I go, you're the one I give my devotion. Your love is great.